And we'll resume action here at 165 pounds with Virginia Tech holding a 15-3 lead over Oregon State. Here in our first round match at the EAS Sports Nutrition NWCA Divisional I National Duals presented by Hibiclens and the United States Marine Corps. Jason Bryant here with you. Looks like we got a little contact lens problem right here in the early going. Toney Chay out there for Oregon State. He'll go hand that contact to Travis Pasco. Toney Chay out there for Oregon State, taking on 18th ranked Chris Moon from Virginia Tech, coming in 16-3, riding a 9-match win streak, breaking back into the rankings. Chay seen marginal success this year, a couple solid wins. Chay, a sophomore out of West Lynn, Oregon, and West Lynn High School. While Moon, a native of Fauquier County, Virginia, wrestled his last year in high school up in Pennsylvania at Wyoming Seminary. Powerhouse prep program in the Scranton-Wilkes-Barre area. Moon redshirted last year, NCAA qualifier in 2011 and 12. Chay pushing the action on the edge. We'll get a fresh start coming up on the halfway point here. Period number 1 at 165. Again, Virginia Tech leading. Oregon State 15-3.
Smith running for Central Michigan. Mat 2. Current score, mat number 2. Central Michigan 13, Illinois 3.
Both trading over under ties and drives out of bounds. Another restart.
Nationally ranked Jackson Morris, ranked 13, wrestling mat 2 for Illinois.
Minute to go, first period. A lot of pushing, shoving, collar ties, and fighting for position here in the early going. Circling toward the edge. A little back towards the center. And our first period will end scoreless here at 165. Chay with a choice, he'll defer, and Moon will start. Second period here in the down position. Chay with the leg in to the near side. Driving hip pressure forward. Really just leeching onto Moon at this point. Moon hasn't been able to do a whole lot to get out from bottom. Chay nearly locked that leg at the knee, and of course you can't figure 4 from that position. Moon looked like he was going to have an opportunity to get out there momentarily, but Toney Chay maintained control. Riding time now up over a minute, still scoreless with under a minute to go here in the second. Chay, a little back trip. Moon pops back up to his feet, trying to peel the wrist, gets up and out, and there's a 1-point escape. So Moon will take a 1-0 lead, although riding time again in favor of Chay here with 41 seconds remaining in the second period here at 165. Chay with a half shot there here in short time in the second. And we will go to the third. Chay's going to start on bottom. Of course, the key here is him to get out in 18 seconds to preserve that riding time advantage. Of course, if that's 1 minute at the end of regulation time, you get an extra point. Now Chay turning and facing, he's up and out, so there's the 1-point escape. Ties it up at 1 apiece. However, Chay with the riding time advantage. Still a lot of time left to go in this match. We're just 20 seconds gone by here in period number 3. Of course, Moon going to want to push the pace here. Set up his offense and maybe even draw a stall call. He'll actually need more than one stall call to get that stalling point. Pushing toward the edge. Stepped off the edge of the mat. Of course, should be a 5-foot protection zone there, but in this case there isn't. We'll draw a fresh start. Good low-level attack by Moon. He's got the ankle. Trying to drive up, elevates, swims through. Good hips by Chay. Now back to that elevated position. This is where your high school wrestling coach will yell Iranian lift at you. Chay pulls the ankle, trying to battle the position. Still nothing, still nothing. Moon still in a position. No, they stalemate it. With 38 seconds to go, so a lot of effort and action for no points. Moon really needed to finish that shot. Tries to go underneath, didn't really have much of a setup on that attempt. Chay going to hang on the front head. Chay up and up to his feet. Going to change position, still maintaining front headlocks. Got it locked around the chin. 5 seconds to go. Going to try to hang on. And that'll do it. 1 point for riding time. So Toney Chay of Oregon State picks up the upset at 165. Bringing the Beavers closer. It's now 15-6.